Hi, let us talk about how to use the eMango student app. Enter your mobile number and OTP. After logging in, you will be directed to the homepage of the app. Here you can select the domain you would like to explore. Tap on Explore Career section and you will be directed to a plethora of career options. Then click on any career of your choice to know about that career in detail. That is the course fees, pathways to enter, best colleges. Now let's explore the entrance exam section. Here you will get to explore a number of entrance exams related to all the clusters. You can also explore colleges according to the clusters. We have 2000 plus colleges updated in this app. And last but not the least, you can explore a wide range of scholarships and shortlist them according to your choice and preferences. And let us explore some competitive events.